Goa Day, and we heard a very special song today. Beautiful, and it was so heart-beating and heart-throbbing song, which was sung by none other than Goa's police officer, Mr. Sammy Tavares, who is right here with us to give us a few words on how he felt about the Goan festival in Hounslow here, right here, and to what are his feelings towards Goa seeing all this. So let me ask him a few questions so that he can answer for us what he would like. As you all very well know that he is a police officer and he is in Goa and he is a deputy superintendent of police. At the same time he is an actor. I had interviewed him previously when I was in Goa in his office at Bicholim, and he had given us quite fair ideas about it. Today he has come here with his drama Apल्या Bhurgyan Sangatak, and he made it to the Goa Day and sang one of his most beautiful songs. It was so beautiful and so lovely that people enjoyed it, people loved it, and they wanted him to sing again. Unfortunately, there was no time for that. So let me ask Sammy something about how he felt. Hi Sammy, well, how do you feel about this Goa Day today?
It was a great feeling, something different. I was happy to meet all the Goans over here.
How do you think that the crowd of Goans that came, what do you feel about them? How they were applauding you?
They were very supportive and they appreciated whatever we did, especially for the theatre also, and today also.
And what about your theatre which you staged here? How was the response of the Goans?
The response was tremendous. We had a great success.
It was successful.
Yeah, it was appreciated by all Goans.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling proud of it.
So you feel like you can still move on with more of this type of things?
If time permits, definitely.
As far as I know that from my last interview with you, that it was a family-based drama where you had brought the family values, moral values in and put them into your drama. So with this drama, was the message passed on to the people of the Goans and the current modern generation?
Definitely, I had a message for them, and it was well taken, I feel.
And now the very song you sang, this song was very beautiful. It had some inspiring messages. It gives a feeling of wonderfulness or Goanness in that song, which every Goan should have heard. What do you feel about this song? How did you come with this song?
In fact, in my theatre, I sing only one song in Goa, but I thought of composing a special song for the Goans based in London and those who promote company and our company.
Are you going to do some CD or some songs VCD or video CD after going from here in remembrance of your first experience in UK?
I have not decided yet, but definitely I have plans in future.
What are you taking back with you from here? What memories are you taking back from here?
The welcome which we received was tremendous. The warm wishes from Goans. I cannot express myself. The way they greeted us, the way they supported us throughout our stay in London and elsewhere, Sweden.
Start? Yeah. Okay, Sammy, you had come out with 2 CDs, Desat Beto and Police Project. I know that they had very good music in that. How did they fare in the Goan market as well as here, like in UK and outside Goa? Okay, you just give us the idea how you feel about it.
The problem is that the one who comes out with a CD has to invest a lot of money in it. But it is very sad that the CDs are duplicated and pirated immediately the day of the release. And because of this, theatre lovers, the directors, or the artists, they are scared to come out with such things because they cannot recover the cost each day.
Yeah. Now you are a police officer. As a police officer, I think there should be some law that should bar or ban or stop these guys from. It's a criminal activity, is it right?
Yes, correct.
So there should be some law within the. As a police officer, you should know there is some law whereby you can catch hold of these guys.
There is a law in place. There is a law under Copyright Act, and only implementation has to be done.
So why don't y'all? I would ask this question to you as a police officer, not as a theatre. Why don't y'all implement this?
No, one has to complain, and then only the investigation.
Yeah, as we go to see, you yourself is a complainant. You can be a complainant because your CD itself, as you said, is being pirated.
See, I am not a producer of this CD. The CDs are produced by some other person.
Okay.
I have only written the lyrics for the song.
All right. Okay.
And I have sang some of the songs. So producer is some other person.
Okay. So it is to deal with the producer.
Yes. He has to
So-
file a complaint with the police and police will definitely take it.
Yeah.
The copyright act.
Yeah. So as a last resort, I would like to ask you, as you are going back, when are you leaving from Sweden? UK.
We have a show in Paris on 28th of this month, on Saturday, and we'll be leaving for Goa on 31st from Paris.
I'm sure that you are going to leave a lot of memories behind, and people have certain love for you, and that love also will remain in everybody's heart.
Definitely.
So that was a small, brief talk with Sammy Tavares, who is also a very busy man, and I think we have to let him go. There's a lot of work for him and for us as well to cover up. So I would like to thank him on behalf of Anish Goenka, and I would say that you're welcome next time, and we'll be having a bigger and longer talk with you and chat with you. Or when we come down, I would like to have a longer chat so that we can ask you a lot of questions about your life, both the ways as a theatrist, as a police officer, and so we could get on with that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.